Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos on CapCut using the masking in CapCut Mobile. So here, what you need to do is add two videos into CapCut like this and make one of the video as overlay. So I'm going to select the first one, then click on overlay like this, and I'm going to match the length. And after that, click on the second clip or on the overlay, then find masking. Click on mask. Here, select the horizontal, this one, and rotate it into a 90 degrees like this. Okay, and then adjust the position. I'm going to click on the check icon first. Let's adjust the position of the video so that the object is visible like this. Okay, now the video will be overlapping. You can go to mask again and adjust the masking. Here, just adjust the feather. You can also zoom in to make the video looks proportional like this. Now the video will be blend like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.